Right. Now we will discuss example 10. Example 10 is the most important question for your board examination. Every time it is coming, this question are the model question. Same question you are getting in the board exam paper. But if you listen this question carefully, you can write, you can attempt any question. Here it is root root 3, right? What is the first step? We will assume this as a, even though we know this as irrational number, we will assume this as rational number. Let assume root 2 plus root 3 is rational, right? If it is rational, how can how we can write this as root 2 plus root 3 equal to a by b, where a comma b are co-prime integers. B should not be equal to 0, even though a is also not equal to 0, but we will not mention that one. But same, next again we will find, we will do squaring on both sides. Squaring on both sides, we will get root 2 plus root 3 whole square. That gives us a square by b square. A square by b square, right? Here 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 root 2 plus root 3 whole square means a plus b whole square, right? A square, a plus b whole square, a square plus b square plus 2ab, right? A square means root 2 whole square, b square means root 3 whole square, plus 2ab means 2 into root 2 into root 3. That will give us a square by b square, right? Root 2 whole square, 2 root 3 whole square, 3 plus 2 root 3 into root 2 into root 3 will give us 6. That will be equal to a square by b square. 5 plus 2 root 6 will be equal to a square by b square. I will keep irrational number one side and rational number to another side. Right now 2 root 6 equal to a square by b square minus 5. Transpose this 5 towards that side, that will become minus 5. And 2 root 6 equal to a square minus, if you take LCM for the denominators, if you convert unlike fractions like fractions, you will get this value. And then again I will transpose this 2 to other side, a square minus 5b square by 2b square. Look at here, and again for any value of a comma b in a square minus 5b square by 2b square, or any value of a comma b in a square minus 5b square by 2b square, the value is rational. If RHS value is rational, LHS value is also rational, right? If I, but LHS value is, we know that LHS root 6 is irrational. LHS root 6 is irrational. This, right, this contradicts the fact that it is opposite fact that root 6 is irrational. Why this contradiction has arisen? Why this contradiction has arisen? This has arisen due to our wrong assumption. What is assumption? What is our assumption? Is rational. Therefore, our assumption is wrong. What is correct now? Root 2 plus root 3 is irrational. Right? This is a proof.